so we got our Pack-A-Punch here, and we're going to go ahead and do a speed test, see how long it takes me to cut 3 keys with this, and how long it takes me to cut on the HPC Blitz machine. We'll just go ahead and start right now. We've got about 10 seconds on the clock, and go. One, two, three, 4, and 5. And we got 5. 4. 3, 2, 1. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we got about 1:45 on there to cut 3 keys with this unit here. Let's make sure they work. There's about 10 seconds, so you got about 1.5 minutes. Okay, so we got a working key, working key, working key. Okay, so now we're going to grab some for the Blitz. You're going to see how long it takes to cut the same amount of keys on here. And what do we got? We got about 1 minute, or we got 2:17 to, we'll call it 2:20, and we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so we got about 440 on there. So I don't know. We'll have to do the math on the when we actually get the video out. But that's probably going to be about 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 20 seconds, actually. So but we all do have working keys, and we can pull this apart. We got our 3 keys cut over here. Let me pull this apart and see that in fact it is fully loaded up and does have pins in it that are set to that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. This system is just quicker, cleaner, and mobile. So for more information, check out the website below, pick up your Pak-A-Punch, and get out of the brass. And that's nothing against the HPC machine. This is a great machine, and I love it to death, and it's been a trooper over the time. It's a rock solid machine. It just requires a lot of power, and it's bolted to the vehicle, and it makes the brass shavings, which we're trying to get away from, which we can see right here. This is what we don't want to have, but what we do have over here. We just got all this brass and stuff, and that gets into your skin, into your slivers, and it's just kind of a pain in the butt to work with. So HPC also has a punching machine, but once again, it was a very big, bulky unit, and I think it was probably about twice as expensive. So that is why I did not go with that one. I'm sure they make a great machine. In fact, it would probably be more useful to me because it has the card codes that I've already invested in with the HPC machine. But as far as just getting regular quickset and Schlage keys cut quickly, there's not much faster than this right here. So for more information, check out the website below. Hey guys, it's the end of the video. You know, help me out and help me help you out. Right below the description box right here is a red subscribe button. Subscribe to me, and then you're going to get the latest and greatest information that I put out. Sometimes it applies to you, sometimes it doesn't. You know, it's just going to at least let you know that we're putting out new and current information. And then right over here is a thumbs up button. Give me a thumbs up. Help this video rank higher in the searches for the search terms that you're using, and let other people be able to see this. You know, that's the best way you can help. Interact. Leave a comment. I will get back with you if I can and try and help you answer your questions. But the more you interact and post this to Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and spread this through the social media, the more that allows me to be able to help do more videos. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And subscribe, share, and like. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it.